What's up, guys? Cut back with another live stream. Today is the 14th, 15th. It's the 15th, Wednesday of September 2021. And gonna get started on the live stream. This is your first time hopping on. Basically, what I'm doing here, I basically am documenting my trading journey just to, get allow an inside look of the work that at least I'm doing in order to become a full-time trader, and hopefully motivate, inspire people as they're going through the same journey as well, and connect with other people right as we get there. So on these streams, I first start off by going through the live charts. Then I go ahead and do my back testing or any work that I'm going to be working on, and then I'll review live charts, and then we go ahead and end the call. If you guys have any questions throughout that time, go ahead, comment it in the live chat, and I'll be sure to talk about it before the call ends. But let's dive into this. Now, I obviously have to address something because let's continue to focus. I obviously have to address that I was late today. Probably I just started at 7:20 because I overslept. I woke up when my alert went off. I meditated and then went back to sleep, which this was a problem that I actually talked about in my blog that was reoccurring last month, and now it's happened. Like this is, I can legitimately say this is the second time that's happened this month at least. Other than that, I've made pretty good progress on it, but need to work on that. Problem, meditate in a different place. I need to do that in a different place. Okay. Solution to the problem. Okay, let's get started. Let's get started on trade reviews. So starting on EUR/JPY. EUR/JPY, I originally took an entry at 38.2 for this buy here, and I was looking for a scale-in opportunity here since I missed this original one. Price just rejected at that level and pushed down, so my stop loss has been hit on this one. I'll go ahead and update the Discord on that, and we'll go based off pips 33. Okay. All right, perfect. So that's done. We're gonna stay here. I'm gonna go ahead and hide all this from our review this weekend. All right. So still on the 4-hour time frame. Like, we have this short-term downtrend. Yeah, overall, I still like this buy opportunity. I have this impulse to break of the trend line. Got this corrective pattern or just structure has been developed here, right? And prices are moving aggressively down. So this is the next area that I would be looking for an entry at, which is where price is right now. Next area, since price is like pushing past that point at the moment, it's gone further than what I wanted to go in the situation. Well, price to come down to this level and basically 61.8 where I look for a buy. Now, how do I need it to approach? Possibly a descending channel, some type of reversal pattern, even a inverted head and shoulders would be fine. Now, what's going through my head right now is, and like this is gonna be a long stream because because obviously I woke up late, right? So this is gonna be probably like 2 hours and a half. So I'm gonna be late to the gym. It's fine. Focus. Get it done. All right. So what's going through my head is, even though price overshot this area, it's still in this general area, and we could see a possible entry opportunity here, right? And let me delete this because this is just getting in my way right now. Still a possible entry opportunity here. And I can only take this setup one more time based on my rules. Like, I give a setup 2 times. Two possible entries. Which, hold me accountable on that, because that's a rule that I've had for a while, but I haven't necessarily always implemented. I'm wondering if I should show you guys my trading plan one day. I'll say when I actually have like people regularly coming on and people that can actually hold me accountable on here, I'll definitely start. I'll probably share my trading plan on here. If not, if I discover a reason not to, I'll just have my own private group, like kind of like I have now. Okay, possibilities. So here, impulse correction to the 50, possible entry opportunity for a push up, or wait for 61.8, entry opportunity, push up. Okay, obviously 61.8 is going to provide a higher R at the 50. Price hasn't necessarily completely overshot the area just yet, but it's right at that area. How far has price pushed past the previous setup or thing, which is gone to negative 27? And if we're gonna get a correction or anything right here, if we're gonna get a rejection and we're looking for a reversal, we'd see it at the negative 27. So where am I looking for this to go to? Probably the negative 41, and price to continue pushing down. Do we have any? No. But that doesn't mean it won't push at all. That's tough. Let's see. Let's run through it. So if I get a entry opportunity here, ideally my stops would be here. Alternatively, my stops can be here below, like that entry opportunity. Now, if I have this, it's about a 4-to-1. We're strongly diminished. And alternatively, it's 27-to-1, which knowing that the higher R's, at least above 15, generally have a tough time playing out. So that's unlikely. Yep, I have to. I will. So what I'm gonna wait for is a 61.8 retracement. Look for entry opportunity here, and then I felt like that was. Here we go. That's where I did that based off fibs. Okay, so here is where I'm looking for my entry at. Okay, come on. Alright, here's where I'm looking for my entry at. And just looking for a push up from there. Now after if the trend line breaks, I'll look for a 1 hour setup for a buying opportunity, which I'll go ahead and set. Okay, and obviously the price continues to push down. I'm not really gonna do anything. Need to see some corrective movement. Okay, so what's the level? Let's be very precise with it. Put that initially. Get confluence. Now that's something I need to compare, whether it's the higher probability based off the SD or Fibonacci influence with it, or should I only take it when they strictly overlap? That's interesting. Okay. Anything else? Nope. Yeah, I'm good. Alright, so screenshot that. $129.056. I don't remember if I said like I put screenshots on my levels, which I forgot to do yesterday. I think when I went through it, I didn't remember seeing it. Your JPY. And if price keeps pushing down, if I get a correction here, am I selling? No, I don't. No, the higher time frame shows everything. I want to take the 1 hour. I would not take that 1 hour sell. Okay. Now with this, if we get that entry opportunity, stops are right there. I have to completely map this out. 48. I didn't even finish it up. Okay. Yeah. And let's say CAD AUD USD. Alright, this one hit SL as well. This is a 4-hour setup. Okay, setup's still valid, so I have one more chance to enter on here. Looks like price is potentially coming down again to form a double bottom. I'd like it to come a little bit lower for a buying opportunity. Right below. Well, there's a level below that too. Wow. Okay. Copy. Perfect. We can delete this now. Alright, so I need to hide this. And yeah, hide that. Okay, one price come a little lower. But will it? What if it doesn't? Okay, let's refresh this. No matter what I'm looking for a buy, there's no way I'm looking for a sell at the moment. Price could come down a little bit lower right there. And that's like the perfect scenario. Yeah, and that's what I need. So my alert set right there. Once the alert goes off, I'll look for buying opportunity. If it does not get there, I do not care. I'm not taking anything else. So I need prices to go down to this level, give me my buy opportunity, and then give me my entry. Okay, what is this looking like? If I get an entry here, stops are right there. Very aggressive, which makes me question, with a lot of volatility going on today, alternate is 6. This is the first one in 30 minutes. To enter after the push. Okay. Still buy. I need price to come down lower. I'm not gonna take it right there. $73061. Okay, all good now. I like everything that's going on, and I'm comfortable taking that position. If I lose, we'll be down 3R, and if we have your JPY entry, we'll also be down 4R. Not 4. Yeah, 4R if we lose both. $73055. Okay, so if you guys remember from yesterday, which if you're watching this from the future, this is the first time I really showed my daily plan and went through it. It was yesterday, and basically sent out a copy to everybody. I made edits like right after I sent out the copy. Yeah, because I was like, I kind of want this stuff to be calculated for me. So I just made some formulas and put this in. Have to complete it, and I'm gonna have to change how I'm tracking this. Just getting the sums instead of the largest and the largest ones. Just so if I come back to this week, I know the stats on that day, that type of thing. And if you don't know what efficiency is just like, did I follow my rules on every trade, right? So far, I've followed my rules on every trade. And if I have any trade areas, that's going to affect the efficiency. So say I take 10 trades and I follow my rules on 9 of them, I have a 90% efficiency. If I follow my rules on 7, I have a 70% efficiency. And my aim is a 95% efficiency right now every week. And yeah, just to get there, which I'll have to make every single trade correct because I only take like 4 positions a week, which isn't hard because it's really just waiting to do the right thing. That's everything for the plan. Because dollar Swiss still nothing for me. We have a range now, but no, I don't like it. Now with that, since we have no one on the call right now, I'm not gonna go through gold and everything else. GJ made that move. That means UJ probably hit that sell too. Yep. Gold came back up to that area. Potential sell. Do we have a strong break of that? I say like I'm not gonna go through, but I'm going through it right now. That's like a pick your side situation. This is more of a buying opportunity than a sell at the moment. US 30, we already talked about the sell. I think so. No, we didn't talk about this sell. That sell did play out. That's nice. All setups on US 30 played out, which is good. And then we got this Bitcoin's playing out too. That's a really good. We had some really good movement this week. That's awesome. That's awesome that your AED played it. That's awesome. Man, this week is amazing. Okay, let's get to work. Man. One second, I want to just... Okay, so I can't really take a break right now because crunch for time, so I gotta bring this stuff up and get started. You know, I'll have to do 30 minutes here, and then I'll have to just make my other session longer. Because if I'm late for the gym, I'm gonna be late for other things, and I'm not gonna do that. I just have to sort of the consequences of what I did, right? Knock it out one by one. All right, one by one. Sorry, I was just about to look at it and be like, "Oh man, there's so much." Go at it like just chop it off piece by piece. It doesn't matter how much there is, as long as you're consistently working on it, you'll get it done. Consistent progress. I'm gonna put headphones on. Okay. Something pretty interesting, and you guys can't even see it yet, but or what I'm about to work on yet. Not interesting, but something I want to say or that I could share that could like potentially provide value is let's say an actual glimpse of my trading plan. Not the full thing, but just like the segments of it, which the segments of my trade plan or like the actionable steps for the day are essentially derived literally from the mental game of poker. There was a chapter early on where he talks about the process of playing poker, right? And I converted that to the process of playing or trading. Yeah, playing the game of trading. What did I call it? I called it trade plan or trading plan. And if I remember everything correctly, there's 4 stages. Yeah, 4 stages. Which, now that I have it up, I kind of don't want to show it. But I'll talk about it, alright? And just try to follow along. So the first phase consists of... Actually, why not? I will show it. It could be helpful. The first phase consists of present. Just make sure you guys can still see that. Okay, awesome. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So first phase is preparation, and basically what I'm doing, for my setups, this is the full process. All right, things I need warm up, what I'm actually going to be doing. And then log trades and things. This is like the 1.0 version. I haven't worked on the updated version for my updated trading plan yet. So I'll have to change this. But yeah, this is essentially the first draft that I drew up. So starts with preparation, then warm up and performance, then results evaluation. Like you actually, after you close the trade, like what are your actions? You're gonna log it, and then I check for certain things to happen, and I do a full analysis review and take notes on, okay, this is what happened after those trades, right? This is what I can learn from that. Okay, but that was pretty. Each step is like really crucial, especially the preparation. If I don't have the preparation done, everything else pretty much goes out the window. I believe I don't remember exactly which chapter that is, which makes me want to listen to it again. And since I'm about to go to the gym, I have to charge my headphones. I can't listen to anything. I'm gonna put myself on mute, and we're just gonna listen to music the whole time as I get this done for 30 minutes. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and start now. how on earth could I justify taking this position? If this sets up, how on earth could I ever justify taking this position? Well, I can justify it by a 30-minute decent. Man, that's a tough trade to take. I don't know about that one. That's a tough one to take. Okay, 80 USD, still looking for the push down. I mean, like, might not get it pressing scale down far enough, and we have some information coming out in a minute. Such a shame. The initial entry came here, but my zone was lower than what it needed to be. There's always another opportunity right around the corner. Just gotta wait, and you gotta be there. I wonder, was I? Yes, I was forward testing this one. Yeah. Okay, cool. So I can't get. Well, I'll be able to get the stats on this regardless. And then gold gave us the buy. US30 looks like it's going into the other zone. Bitcoin is doing what Bitcoin does, like I like. Alright, and that's it, guys. Let me check the comments, see if there are any questions or requests. There are not, so you know what I'm about to do. I'm about to go ahead and end the call. I'm about to head to the gym. Really appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And like I said, hope you guys find some inspiration from this or find some useful things in this. And if you guys see any way that I can make this system more efficient, please let me know. I'm like, when I complete this, I'm 100. Before I start my next backtesting project, I am fixing the Excel sheet, so I do not have to do this phase right here that I'm doing. All right, I'm gonna have everything that I have in the thing in the thing. You get me? Yeah. Alright, it's alright if you don't understand. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Please be sure to like and subscribe.